to say something though. Take one.
Hey y'all, hey. If you don't know me now you know me. But if you clicked on this video, I'ma just assume that you know me. Oh my goodness. I know, I've been missing. I know. Rosie Shante, new upload, new video. I just have not had the time because I've been in school. Y'all should go cop this shirt because it's great. It feels great. It feels amazing. But yeah, go get you one of these because they feel very comfortable and the inside feels like a thermal. And if it was windy outside and it wasn't like super cold, you really wouldn't even need a jacket. It feels great. And I really wish I had got me a red one because you already know why I want to wear this. I'm always getting the same colors and I needed something else that was pink because I had some shoes that were pink, and yeah, we're just not gonna go there. But I just needed something pink and I just really love that it said rose on it, and I was like, you know, make sure you follow me on all of my social media sites, Rosie Shante, because everything is the same. Go see how I got this final look. You know, I really don't be wearing my natural hair like that on my channel like that no more, and I gotta do better. So we're gonna do better today. So I'm gonna show y'all how I got this full complete look. So stay tuned and enjoy it.
This is very complicated.
You're just the type of propaganda in the land of supply and demand. A girl without a mind ain't human. It gotta be more than just a butt that's booming. Assuming there's